Hello guys, do you want to block notification from an app because you get disturbed by the notification? Don't worry guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to block app notification on your Android phone. The first thing you should do is open your settings app on your phone, and then you have to find apps option. It's right here. Just click on apps option and then choose the app that you want to block the notification. For example, I'm gonna block the notification from Instagram. Just click on Instagram app, and then if you want to turn off the notification from Instagram, you have to click on notification right here, and you have to click this toggle button to turn off the notification or remove the notification from Instagram app. Okay guys, that's how we can block notification from an app on your Android phone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you!